Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial today, I'm going to be telling you actually what you can do now that the market is actually down in order for you to utilize this particular dip profitably. Every time in the market, in the crypto market, there are times when the whole market is as if it's going south and everybody is afraid of whether the market is going to rise again or we are heading towards a crash from here. But then at the end of the day, we see that the market recovers and people who took the bold step to invest when this market was down makes lots of money from investing when the market was down. Then the other set of persons, what they now do is to invest when the market is already recovering, right, which is not supposed to be. So in this video today, I'm going to be telling you what you should do whenever there is a market dip, on how you can make money from each dip, right? So that is it. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcomed. My name is Okafumi with Cynthia. I talk about cryptocurrency and lots more, anything relating to cryptocurrency, how to make money from cryptocurrency, how to get cryptocurrency jobs, and lots more. So thank you very much for visiting my channel if you are here for the first time. So like I said, what do you do when there is a market dip? How do you make money during a market dip? Now this is what I do most times when the market is going down. I look out for coins, I look out for strong projects that I so much believe in. I follow their investors, I follow their CEOs, the inventors, to believe, to be sure that this project is actually what they promised us, right? We have a lot of those projects. If the people who brought about Bitcoin, Ethereum haven't been pushing it over the years and all of that, I don't think people will be investing in it. People are putting their money in mostly Bitcoin and Ethereum, believing that the owners of these projects are strong hands in the crypto ecosystem. They know that this project will hardly rock pull or crash because they believe in their developers, they believe in the people championing the project. So that is why it's good for you to look out for coins that have strong backings, and that is why it's good for you to do your proper fundamentals whenever you are making research about projects that you should be investing in, right? So that is it. I would say, let me recommend some projects for you guys, but then remember that it is not a financial advice. And also I want to sincerely apologize for keeping you guys mute for a very long time now, and that is because I did not have access to some of my recording equipment. I went for a program and I'm not with my laptop. You can see I'm doing this video with my phone just to make sure that I don't keep you guys waiting without seeing anything on my channel. If you are enjoying the videos on this channel, you can let me know via the comment section. Encourage me to do more, right? Encourage me to do more. For you guys who wished me happy birthday on my birthday on April 26th, I really appreciate you guys. I thank you guys so very much and I love you guys. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be recommending some of these projects for you guys to invest in. That is, if you would want to. Remember, it is not a financial advice. Do well to do your own fundamental analysis about the projects. Know who are their backers, know these inventors and all of that. Also try to read their white papers, right? And one of them is Raka, FTM, GMT, and CRO, and lots more. There are a whole lot of them. That is why it's good for you to do your own research, right? So we're going to head over to CoinMarketCap to see the price of some of these projects. So we're going to start with Raka. Raka is a project that I believe I know that I've already gone to. You can see GMT is even trending on top 50. This coin has really been doing wonders, right? So even this green Satoshi token is related to this GMT too. Okay, so we said Raka. Okay, Radio Raka. This Raka, their gaming projects have really been doing awesomely well and is recognized by Binance, even though it's not yet listed on their exchange. But I believe that very soon I believe that is going to be listed on Binance, because these guys are doing awesomely well. So let's scroll down to see the highest price Raka have actually reached over the. So you can see the all-time high of Raka is 0.01. I had Raka when it was at this rate, and now is at 0.0012. If you invest in this project, even if it's $30, I believe you should be getting up to 30,000 of this particular coin. And have you thought of when this coin even reaches, even if it's 0.1 or 0.01, you're going to be making a whole lot of profit from that. You don't need to wait till the whole crypto market recovers before you start investing. That is not how a good investor should actually behave. You invest when everybody's scared of losing their money. You invest when everybody is wondering will the market recover or not, but not when you see small green and everybody is talking about it, you're rushing back to go and invest, and thereby risking your money, because there may be a small retrace and all your capital has gone down, especially when it's a money that you want to use for something else, right? So that is it. Then we talked about GMT is really high at the moment. I'm not saying you shouldn't buy, but what I'm trying to say is that you should take your time. This market is going to retrace. Is going to retrace heavily. You don't need to rush in, because I think it have even gotten to 3.9, and now you can see it's retracing, and I believe it's good. Oh, you can see all-time high is even 4.10, right? 24 hours all-time high. This coin did really awesomely well in less than 1 month, and I believe it's still going to do more. But then take your time. You can put it on your favorite, monitor it, allow it to retrace very well before you invest in it. And we have FTM also on our list. You can make your research. I'm not going to search for that again on this video. And we also have CRO. I believe last year when CRO was doing wonders, a lot of people were saying CRO to 1 and all of that, and at the end of the day, what happened? It's retraced. You can see where it is now, right? So all you just need to do is to take your time. Whenever people are hyping a project and is a good project, take your time to research about that project, put it on your favorite, research about it, take your time, wait for it to retrace, and you enter the market. It can be for the long term. Even if you are buying a coin, have the one you are keeping for your moon bag, which is the one you are keeping for long term, because the people who make the most money in the crypto market are those who are able to hold for long term, and not just those who buy and sell under 1 week, unless you are a trader who trades spot futures and the rest of them with just little time frame, and they are out of the market, right? So that is it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. I want to be sure that I gave out value in this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.